Hey Mama, I'm out here at Mill Creek Nature Preserve. I decided to stop on the way home. It's actually just down the highway a little bit from where I live. So the last time I was out here, it was all overgrown and stuff. It looks like they've mowed some and trimmed a little bit, so maybe we'll actually get to do a little more exploring here today. Oh yeah, and the grapes, the wild grapes are growing out here. I'm gonna give you a look at those. They're actually pretty ripe right now. So here we go. Yeah, here we go, Mama. The last time I was out here, these grapes are really green. And they're looking pretty good now. Pretty good little crop of wild grapes going on this one little vine here. And we'll walk up here a bit, see where the car's parked up there. I'll walk back down to get a picture of that sign for you. And a shot of the grapes, because they're close to the highway there. Yeah, it's windy out here again today, but that's okay. I've got my hoodie if I get cold. Yeah, the last time I came through here, I was having to bushwhack all of this because it was really, really overgrown. And I am wearing long pants today, so if we get to some of the high stuff, we'll be all right. Oh, look at all these wild grapes. Got a lot of them on this one. Wow. Got a few of them that are still green, but most of them have already ripened up. Got some little red looking things over here. We're not gonna mess with those because we don't know what they are. Oh, there's the creek. It's pretty dry this time of year. But when we had that snow melt in the spring, this creek will be pretty full of water. Yeah, I had thought about walking down and walking in the creek a little bit. I don't want to get cold. I've already warmed up and I want to stay warm. Maybe another day when it's not quite so windy, we'll come walk up the creek a little. Yeah, we didn't get this far last time. The fact that they mowed this down makes it really nice. I'll give you a little look around here. Lots and lots of thorns and vines everywhere though, so you gotta be careful to stay on the trail here. I'm not real sure about this bridge. It seems okay. Oh, that's pretty. Let's give you a look at the other side here. Got some berries and stuff growing down there too. Right there. This is neat. Once we get on the other side of the bridge, there are trails that continue on, but as much as I want to explore it, I want to take it easy today too, because I kind of went hard yesterday. high again. Okay, clearing up a little bit again. Yep, closed in on me again. And it got squishy. Yuck. Oh yeah, major squishy. Ooh, those are pretty. Canopy over both sides. Oh, look, we made our way back to the car. How about that? Guess it just went around in the loop. All right. Hey Mama, well that's gonna be it for Mill Creek Nature Preserve. Made our way back to the car here, as you saw. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the car, we'll go home and edit some videos, have some lunch, and then sit down and find either a good movie to watch or a book to read, and definitely a phone call to my mama later. I love you so much, Mama.